Jake Boyd here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Talking to you today about this 2020 Catalina Coachmen 263 RLS. That's a rear living with a big super slide. Quite a bit of space inside for lounging, kind of entertaining, as well as a great division of space and residential feel that comes with the Catalinas as well. So walk around some of the features in the exterior. As you can see, really big, deep slide out here as well. Right off the back. Plus you have all your utility. I think this is actually just a really kind of super smart design too. If you're outdoor hot and cold shower, you can put the shower head right up top and you actually have an outdoor shower ready at hand. All kind of your utilities are going to be right over here, as well as your dump station. And then if you walk around to the front, your two big 7 gallon propane tanks. It's going to be keeping this thing toasty. It's also going to be, with your heated and enclosed underbelly here, is going to be protecting your tanks, your holding tanks as well. Really big pass-through storage that goes all the way through, and this is divided from the storage that's underneath the bed in the bedroom as well. So let's head inside. There's two entrances. One goes onto the bedroom, and the other one is going to go onto the main room here as well. You have a solid step, zero bounce. Each one of those legs can be adjusted independently, which makes it really easy to manipulate. And some of the smart things that they've been starting to add to these are just small kind of details. So you actually have a little leash out here, a leash link. You can actually just hook up and your pup is good to go. If you head inside, really big awning here, as well as a strip of LEDs underneath that. So making really good use of the indoor and outdoor space, day and night. They've done some really nice upgrades to the interiors on these. So they're using Thomas Plane recliners for your rear, a ton of really natural light, and plus you still have all that storage up top as well. A ton of storage all the way around here. You have a tri-fold couch that turns into a double bed and just fold it out. Very easy extra sleeping space. Windows on both sides of your slide out. That's not always how it is. That's actually a pretty big rarity. Plus your booth, which can just be adjusted into a bed as well. So if you wanted to actually accommodate quite a bit more than two people, you can definitely accommodate quite a bit more sleepers. Your countertop space is a nice L-shaped countertop, and so some of the space that they are putting into place there is some of the features they're putting into place is a really nice plugins, plus they made this a single basin sink. That's even better. That's a lot easier to actually manipulate and use anything in there and clean your entire pans instead of just half a pan at a time. Tons of drawers all the way throughout. They do the nice kind of design aspect, making sure you actually have something for your utensils. Your triple burner stove with its nice flush mount countertop there, so you can use it as extra counter space as well. Just folds back, turns into its own backsplash. Your full three-way fridge here as well, and then all this is kind of facing your media center. Your media center is a really nice Furrion system, Bluetooth capable. You can play anything off your phone, your laptop, your iPad, and that all kind of folds right all the way into here, into your pass-through bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom. Solid surface for your your shower enclosure, which is nice. Full vanity and sink, and you actually have behind the right behind the toilet a really nice linen closet too. A ton of space in there to store quite a bit of stuff. And when we get into the bedroom, this is how kind of Catalina does a really nice residential feel. A nice kind of flow all the way throughout. And when we get to the bedroom, the bed doesn't feel really tight and hemmed in. The closets come halfway down. That allows you kind of platform space plus plugins. Really easy to keep your phone, your CPAP handy right next to you, as well as having your hanging storage as well as a ton of other storage throughout. Plus, like I mentioned, you still have that storage that's underneath the bed, which is divided from that kind of pass-through too. You always have that exit right off the bedroom too. Any questions about this Catalina 263 RLS or any other rig we have on lot, stop on by and say hello, or drop me a line, 773-655-7190. My name is Jake.